Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick ultimate guide on how to use Taskade. To get started, Taskade is a simple yet powerful productivity app that helps you organize tasks, projects, and ideas in one place. You can create workspaces for different areas of your life, then build folders and projects with checklist, due to date, and team collaboration. The app supports multiple views like list, browse, calendar, and mind maps, so you can work the way that suits your best. But it is not perfect. New user may feel overwhelmed at first due to the many features and layout options. Some also says the mobile app version can be a bit slower or less stable than desktop. So while Taskade is a great tool for managing both personal and team productivity, it's best to start simple and build your way up as you get more comfortable. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.